Hi, I'm Chris, and these are top 5 sinks our clients love in 2023, and you will too. At Archant, we see new styles and trends come and go each year. What always remains the same, however, is our clients' desire for kitchen sinks that blend design appeal, durability, and value. In thousands of homes around New Zealand, we've seen different models installed with great success. Of these, we wanted to discuss 5 of the most popular sinks in 2023, as you may find them an ideal solution for your home as well. This list includes a distinct range of 3 different types of sinks, including stainless steel, composite blends, and ceramic. Araki 550. Homeowners shopping for a stylish sink that differs from the traditional look of stainless steel will appreciate the modern beauty of the Granite range. Of these, the araki is the most popular model. These unique bowls are made with 85% quartz and the remainder from resins and acrylics. In addition to the black option, clients can choose from 2 other colors to best fit any palette. With no detail overlooked, the interchangeable waste and overflows are available in different colors to match your design. These are quite straightforward to mount on modern benchtops and can be done with a popular undermount method or a traditional overmount style. The entire line is made by Schock in Germany, following rigorous standards to ensure the highest quality. This durability is reflected in the 30-year warranty as added protection for your investment. Frankie Bolero Box 210/50. Single bowls have been trending for years, and with good reason. They're a great option for those looking to maximize benchtop space. This convenience is still an important consideration in 2023. Regardless of what's popular now, most homeowners want their sink to hold up well for many years to come. The Bolero box is made with a superior grade of stainless steel. This is strong enough to withstand everyday household use, and it won't crack, dent, or rust. While the steel can take on tiny scratches over time, this turns into a patina that maintains its classic appearance. There's also a Frankie branded overflow to prevent any mishaps, and the bowls are treated with a sound deadening spray to make for a quiet experience. For added peace of mind that the sink will be free from manufacturing defects, Frankie offers a 50-year warranty for the original owners. Ashford 535/10. Some call them butler bowls, others use the term farmhouse sinks. Either way, the timeless beauty of these ceramic sinks makes them a rare meld of beauty and functionality. Created from the highest quality ceramic, each one is handmade by skilled artisans in England. This type of sink has long-standing roots in historic design, but it remains quite relevant for today's New Zealand homes. With flexible functionality, they can tackle just about any kitchen task. The large rectangular shape and deep bowl make easy work of oversized pots and pans. They also come with a waste outlet for a basket strainer and can be paired with a waste disposal unit if desired. The white finish is a classic in design and a wonderful addition to any style of kitchen, from contemporary to traditional. Alternatively, the striking charcoal tones help match existing appliances with modern appeal. For unparalleled peace of mind, this sink is backed by a lifetime warranty. Roebic 500/10. For the 3rd consecutive year, the Roebic is a favorite with customers and designers around New Zealand. Why is this particular model a perennial bestseller? For starters, they are handmade with thick stainless steel. This level of craftsmanship lends itself to a high-quality finish that's preferable to machine-pressed models. Then, there's the high-capacity overflow to prevent spills and new and improved lines for fast draining. In addition, there's sound deadening spray. The Roebic is also quite cost-efficient when compared to many alternatives. Commercial developers will also appreciate the special product pricing available to high-volume users. And finally, this sink comes with a standard 30-year warranty for long-lasting durability. Roebic 500/250/15 RV. When choosing the ideal sink for your family in 2023, there's no reason to compromise on convenience. All of Roebic's double bowls are reversible, and if this concept is new to you, it works by allowing you to reconfigure the sink to your liking. This can make a positive impact on your workflow, expediting routine tasks with efficient flexibility. With the ability to fit seamlessly into most kitchen layouts, reversible bowls are a cost-effective option, and they deliver lasting value. Like all Roebic models, this sink has a warranty of 30 years for comprehensive protection from any manufacturing defects. So which is the right sink for your kitchen? With so many incredible sink solutions to upscale your space, it's an exciting time to update your kitchen. We understand these are important decisions, and we're here ready to help with your specific project. Whether the classic farmhouse sink or the more modern composite bowls have inspired some design ideas, or the timeless appeal of stainless steel is a better fit, we would love to help make it a reality. Our team of design experts has helped thousands of New Zealand homeowners create the kitchen of their dreams. Let us assist with your renovation next. Stop into one of our showrooms to get started. Thanks for watching.